Hey guys, Tassin with Dead Air Silencers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and install any of your P-Series front caps. The process is going to be the same as any of the R-Series front caps, but in this case with the P-Series you're going to utilize the DM3000 front cap tool. So I'm going to take my Mojave 9 and let's say I want to run it in the short configuration. I'm going to remove this front module, take it all the way off. And we're going to take the DM3000 front cap tool and I'm going to put it into the corresponding slots on the front cap and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey it off. Then I'm going to take the front cap, install it into the short configuration of the silencer. I'm going to get it seated all the way down on the silencer, and then I'll take the tool, put it into the corresponding slots and tighten it down. The same process goes for the Mask or the Odessa, and then you're ready to hit the range. With these Pistol Series silencers, you're not necessarily changing the front cap to swap calibers and get different dB levels, but you're going to be removing the front cap to either run it modular like the Mojave 9 or Odessa silencer, or you're going to be removing the front cap on the Mask for disassembly and cleaning. If you guys have any questions regarding these products, please head down to your local stocking Dead Air dealer. Send us an email at info@deadairsilencers.com or give us a call and check out the DM3000 tool at deadairsilencers.com.